ways of addressing complex issues. All school approaches are long-term, and to be successful, they need to be regularly evaluated and updated to fit changing circumstances. Every school has a character of its own, and different tactics will be appropriate in different scenarios. Implementing a school culture where bullying is not acceptable, where children respect and listen to
maybe make her and explain. She's done some work in this area.
And I told the children that we will consciously try to speak softly and even when you're...
So one sec, where will you put, if you put attitude in mental model, you put not attitude, then this differences in value system, isn't the value stemming from attitude?
Yes.
Or vice versa?
Attitude stems from your value system.
Your attitude is based on your values.
No, but the structure also can be a mental model itself. No, middle class means these values.
I hope you will record it.
I feel it's a structure because every middle class, high middle class, they do have a value system. So it is a structure from which they have come.
The point is that what consequence? Short of beating the child or throwing the child. If that anger, you can go on putting consequences, but it's going to come out somewhere else. I'm glad you said that. I mean, how much consequence can you create? And also the consequences that we... But this is what the children perceive.
The mental model of do something. But that is not a solution.
That will come as a policy.
But it also affects this too. There is zero. Zilch tolerance for violence, regardless of what mental model you have, whatever excuse you have.
Because otherwise it can become an excuse for continuing. See, the thing is also that when bullying is a big problem, not only in our school but in society. And we have tried a lot of measures, mainly soft pedaling measures. Short of beating the children, we have done lots of things to try and stop bullying, but we have failed. So in recognition of the fact that we have failed to stop bullying and teasing, we have decided to take up bullying as one of our main issues for systems thinking. Now, what are the causes of bullying? This is a compilation of what teachers felt. You remember teachers had one simplistic one, and then children had added one, and then parents added one. Now she's added almost nothing to bullying. They didn't have. Actually, we engineered this part of the loop because we also felt it is true that if we present a loop to children where bullying seems like such an attractive thing to do because it makes you feel better, how do we find an exit from the loop? So we added this part to show the long-term effects of being a bully, that you lose your life goals, you may not get into college, you may have the wrong company, etc. But now let's just get up and start putting the stars at what can we as a school. Surely we can do something. What change can we do? What do we